Hi, I'm Lia Griffith from liagriffith.com, and I'm going to share with you a few trends that we've been noticing that are going on out there, both in the craft world and in the world of style. So we watch trends from all over the world. We love to look at European trends especially because we feel like they're a few years ahead of us, and so we'll know it's coming down the pipe. And one of the things that we have noticed is that wedding flowers are actually going from that pale pastel to really deep, rich colors. And we're so excited to see this hit America. But for now, we still see a lot of pastels in the US weddings, but watch because it's going to be coming. Another trend that we see, of course, is this whole thing about crepe paper and paper flowers. And this not only is in weddings, but also to decorate your house, to give us gifts. So definitely crepe paper. You're going to want to keep your eye out for that. And of course, if you want to get crepe paper, you know where to get it.